Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore QuerySurge's newest features, which include a refreshed user interface that brings you a more intuitive and efficient experience. In version 12.0, QuerySurge's underlying UI technology has been upgraded, offering a more responsive and streamlined experience while maintaining the familiar look and feel that our users are accustomed to. We'll start with improvements to our Query Wizard's auto-linking functionality. In previous versions of QuerySurge, as we see here, you may be familiar with the auto-link option at the column level. So as you manually create your table relationships, you can then click the auto-link button to establish those column relationships based on the column names. Now, in QuerySurge 12.0, we've expanded this functionality to the table level, so that with the click of a button, you can create table-level relationships based on the table names in your source and target connections. This is extremely helpful for migration or environment upgrade testing, giving our users the ability to quickly and easily create query pairs and load them into the design library with just a few short clicks. The layout and navigation paths remain the same, but enhancements have been introduced to make things easier for users. On the Run dashboard, the scenario icons have been updated to provide information on your underlying test outcomes. To illustrate this, we can take a look at our previous version of QuerySurge. This is 11.2. We can see the same scenarios display only the scenario statuses rather than the test results, requiring users to drill into each scenario to gain insights into those test statuses. Coming back to 12.0, we can see that those statuses for those underlying test outcomes are now displayed at a glance so we can quickly and easily understand those underlying results. The top navigation context menus have also been updated. They now allow for, on right click, the ability to either open a new tab or a new window for each of the modules in QuerySurge. This allows for smoother multitasking across projects, allowing you to keep your work organized and your workflow uninterrupted. You can also manage your workspace efficiently with enhanced tab controls inside of the QuerySurge modules. Tabs can now be reordered and closed in bulk with additional context menu options. QuerySurge will also alert you if you attempt to close tabs without saving your changes, protecting you from unwanted work loss. Grid filters have also been enhanced, giving you more precise control. You can now specify additional filter controls on grids, so as you create assets in QuerySurge, it makes finding them that much easier. Results views have also been updated for both the DTR and scenario runs. Paginated views now allow for quicker loading of results. Additionally, the export options have changed to allow you to select the different origins from any tab in the results view. You of course still have the option to select your format output for your exports. Context menus have also been updated for the Library Explorer, so you can do things like bulk run query pairs, stop DTR runs, all at the folder level. You can also bulk update connections, row count rules, and duplicate row options for each of the query pairs in the folders that you select. QuerySurge 12.0 delivers a more intuitive user experience. If you're interested in upgrading, the 12.0 installer is now available for download in the QuerySurge knowledge base. And if you're new to QuerySurge, visit QuerySurge.com for a free trial.